Ever heard of Popplet? Popplet is a great classroom app that allows students to create graphic organizers and thinking maps with ease. Here's a how-to guide on how to use it with almost any lesson. First, open the app by tapping on the icon. If you can't find the icon easily, swipe down on the screen to open up Spotlight. Start typing in Popplet until the app appears in the list. Tap on the app. When the app opens, you'll see a list of current projects. If this is your first time using the app, the list will be blank. Click on Create New Popplet. Here you can enter the name of your Popplet and select the background color for your new project. When your new project opens, you will have one Popple in the middle of your screen. By tapping on the Popple, you can open up your option buttons. Let's review some of the options. In the top right-hand corner of your Popple, you have a black X. This is how you delete the entire Popple. The 4 arrows on the outside of your Popple are where you can adjust the size. In the bottom left-hand corner of our Popple, we have an outline box. That's to change the color of our outline. The T is to add text, the pencil is to add a drawing, and the picture frame is to add images. The 4 gray dots on the outside of your Popple are where you can add adjoining Popples. You can easily adjust the location of your Popple by tapping it and dragging it around on your screen before releasing. Here you see I've added a new Popple by clicking on the gray dot. And my second Popple, which I can also move around the alignment for. You can also create a new Popple by double tapping anywhere on the screen. Then by dragging a gray dot, you can connect it to an already existing Popple. Now let's discuss some of the features that you can use inside your Popple. By clicking on the T, I can add text to the inside. Here you'll see that I'm adding the title of my project, which is Types of Energy. I'm going to leave this one a small standard size. In my next Popple, I'm going to add text as well, but this time the word is a little bit smaller. Since the word is a smaller word, I'm going to tap the bigger T to increase the size. As mentioned before, you can also change the color of the outline of your Popple. By clicking on the outline button, you can select a new color for your Popple. Every Popple attached to this afterwards will also have this new color. Now let's move on to a drawing. In this box, I'm going to select the pencil. Then I'm going to select my color and start writing or drawing the item that I would like to show up in the box. In this instance, it would be the word sound. For my third box, this time I'm going to choose to insert an image. In order to insert an image, first I'm going to have to find the image that I would like to insert. I'm going to do this by going to Safari and doing a search in Bing. For this project, I'm going to search for images related to light energy. After the search has returned results, I'm going to go to the top of the page and click on Images. When I have a list of images that have showed up, I'm going to select the ones relevant to the project that I would like to use. I found one that I feel would be appropriate for the heading of my light energy column. By holding down on the picture, a menu will pop up on which I can press Save Image. While I'm here, I'm going to find a few other images that I think I could use in my organizer as well. Again, hold down on the photo and press the Save Image button. Let's try one more time with an image for sound energy. I'm looking for a picture of a guitar. After I found one, I'm going to hold down the picture with my finger, press Save Image, and the picture will be saved to my camera roll. Now I can go back into Popplet and insert the photos that I have selected. Click on the box, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click on the button with the mountains. Select Open Library, and inside you will find your photos. Select the photo that you would like to use and click Done. The photo will appear in your Popple. Now let's make some Popples that have more than one element inside them. I'm going to tap on the gray dot below my Popple, in which a new Popple will appear. Open Library, and I'm going to go into my moments and pick the sun for my light energy column. I'm also going to use text and label this picture. Now I have 2 different elements within the same Popple. I'm going to take a quick moment and change the outline color of my light energy column. Now I'm going to go into my sound energy column and change that outline and color as well. Now when I add my next popple that comes off of my sound energy header, it will also be blue. This time I'm going to add two elements as well. First I'm going to add the guitar, and then I'm going to add the word guitar using my drawing feature so that I can handwrite it. Sometimes it's difficult to fit your entire word inside the popple using handwriting. So using the arrows on the corners, I'm going to increase the size of my popple, write the word guitar, and then I'm going to shrink the popple back down to the size that's appropriate for the organizer that I'm creating. Now I'm going to take a minute and add the rest of the popples that I need to complete my organizer. Then we can add the finishing touches that it takes to save our finished project. As I finish my last popple, I'm going to want to see my entire image as one whole project. I'm going to click on the View All button on the top left, and it zooms out so that I see every popple that I've used in my organizer. Something else that I can do is change my title. Either I didn't create a title in the beginning, or I might want to change it to something different. Simply double tap, delete, and change your words. Now I'm going to export my project. I'm going to click on Export in the top right hand corner, Save JPEG, and the image will automatically save to your photo album. Take a look at a few samples and see if you can come up with some ideas of ways to use Popplet in your classroom.